2025 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.